We've had an amazing time. We've just completed a 4-day seminar on restoring the foundations. It was a deep time. It was a time of healing and restoration.
To be here in Ashdod at Bet Hallel, and we've been working with this wonderful group of people and doing what we call issue-focused training to be able to minister to people in the congregation so that they can get healing and freedom. And so we're blessed to be here and to spend this time with them.
Thank you for your prayers. Continue praying for us. We are so excited about what God is doing in Israel.